How to blur face in CapCut. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up CapCut. Once you do that, click to add new project. After that, select and add your video. Once you are here, click on Effects from the options list at the bottom. After that, click on Video Effects. Once you are here, go ahead and select the blur effect. Once the effect has been applied, feel free to adjust its strength. After that, go ahead and adjust the effect over your video. Now go ahead and select the video. After that, find the copy button and click it. Once the video has been copied, go ahead and click on the overlay option for the new video. Then move the second video so it's below the first one. Once you do that, selecting the second video, go ahead and find the mask button. When you find it, click on it. As you can see right here, you have a lot of mask shapes. Go ahead and choose the one that suits you the best. I recommend using the circle one. Once you do that, click on the invert option at the bottom left corner of the screen. Now let's adjust this to fit the person's face that we are trying to blur. That was step 1. The next step is to adjust this blur to the person's face as he moves on the video. And for that we need to add keyframes. Go back to the beginning of the video and then click on the keyframes option. After that, move the video till you get to the point where the person's face is getting out of the blur. Once you are there, click on mask and then adjust the blur to the person's face. Keep repeating that with every face moves that the person makes. And that was the second and last step. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how to blur face in CapCut. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. With that said, see you in the next video.